In this video, we're looking at the keyword sustainability. Sustainability is a noun, and a definition of sustainability is meeting of current business needs without negatively affecting the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It focuses on balancing economic success with environmental care and social responsibility. So I'm going to talk about sustainability in business ethics. I'm going to explain some of the common phrases that you might hear with the word sustainability. I'll give a true life example and then an example sentence. First, we'll look at environmental sustainability. This means protecting the environment while doing business. For example, a company might switch to using solar panels to reduce its energy impact. And we might see a sentence like, many companies are investing in renewable energy to promote environmental sustainability. Corporate sustainability. This is when a company includes sustainability in its goals and daily work. For example, a business might set a target to cut down on plastic use by 50% within 2 years. And we might see a sentence like this: corporate sustainability strategies often include reducing carbon footprint. Let's have a look at long-term sustainability. Long-term sustainability is about making sure resources last for a long time. For example, a company might focus on planting trees to replace those used for making paper. And we might see a sentence like, long-term sustainability requires careful planning and commitment to eco-friendly practices. Global sustainability. This means countries and businesses working together to solve big, substantial sustainability problems. For example, businesses from different nations might collaborate to reduce carbon emissions worldwide. And a sentence might look like this: collaborative efforts are essential for achieving global sustainable goals. Let's have a look at some verb phrases that we might meet. So the first one is to promote sustainability. This means encouraging sustainable practices. For example, a company can promote sustainability by hosting workshops about recycling. A sentence may look like this: organizations need to promote sustainability through education and innovation. We can achieve sustainability. This means successfully becoming more sustainable. For example, a factory that reduces its water waste by 30% has achieved sustainability in water use. A sentence might look like this: achieving sustainability involves reducing waste and improving efficiency. This means showing strong dedication to being sustainable. For example, a company that promises to use only recyclable materials by 2030 is committing to sustainability. A sentence might look like this: companies that commit to sustainability gain trust from customers. Support sustainability. This means helping others to be more sustainable. For example, a government might support sustainability by giving money to businesses that use clean energy. A sentence may look like this: governments can support sustainability by implementing green policies. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Let's just have a look at some key takeaways. Sustainability is essential for ethical business practices. Businesses play a crucial role in promoting, achieving and supporting sustainability. Understanding these terms can improve your discussions about ethics and corporate responsibility.